All these crap niggas know the deal. That old real shit.
I got partners with degrees and I got friends for robbery. Why these people plot on me? Why my own hoe blocking me? Lose my number, save yourself from misery. Just stay with me. Let it blast, blast, blast like Team Rocket. After cash, cash, cash. What's in your pockets? I need watches. Ain't got time for those who watch it. Ain't got time to talk is cheap. Posted like 10 houses down your street. Watch him run, I won't retreat. One and done, I won't repeat. Give me some distance, I'm reminiscing. Think about time, sublime and trend fixed it. I got a dime, I crush it and twist it. Heart in my sleeve, I treat it religious. Ain't it so easy, sometimes we miss it. Stare in your eyes, a fire inside that burn no remission. Hope you remember.
So I'm John, owner of Driver. We started back in 2017, mainly just taking photos at car meets, local car meets. A few of the gang were like, let's get some stickers made up. We stuck them on the cars, and it sort of just snowballed. I think that's the only way to put it. Big thanks to everyone that came out today, those that braved the wind and the rain. It was a bit miserable at times, but obviously you guys helped bring the atmosphere up at the event, and we just look forward to having you all back next year.
It's not sticking.